Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about UNICEF. This lecture is in English and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to my channel, my student support system. What is UNICEF? UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund is one of the specialized agency of United Nations. It was established in 1946 by the United Nations General Assembly to deal with the rehabilitation of the children in war-affected countries. In 1953, the General Assembly gave it a new name, United Nations Children's Fund, but retained the initials UNICEF. The headquarters of the UNICEF is in New York, in USA. The executive board is the governing body of UNICEF, providing intergovernmental support and oversight to the organization in accordance with the overall policy guidance of the United Nations General Assembly and the Economic and Social Council. At present, UNICEF is working in approximately 190 countries. The executive board reviews UNICEF's activities and approves its policies, country programs and budget. It comprises 36 members representing the 5 regional groups of the member states at United Nations. Its work is coordinated by the Bureau, comprising the President and the 4 Vice Presidents, each officer representing one of the 5 regional groups. What are the functions of UNICEF? UNICEF is always working for the children. So, first function is child protection and inclusion. UNICEF advocates that every child has the right to grow up in a safe and inclusive environment. UNICEF works with the partners around the world to promote policies and expand access to services that protect all children. Greater attention is being given to the concept of the whole child, meaning that assistance should henceforward be geared not only to the health and nutrition but also their long-term personal development. Second function can be grouped as child survival. According to UNICEF, every child has the right to survive and thrive. UNICEF is helping to reduce child mortality all over the world by working to reach the most vulnerable children everywhere. UNICEF is focusing attention on providing primary health care to mothers and children, and emphasis is placed on immunization. Next is education. UNICEF works around the world to support quality learning for every girl and boy, especially those in the greatest danger of being left behind. Science laboratories, equipments, workshop tools, library books, audiovisual aids are being made available to educational institutions around the world. Environment and climate change. Children are most vulnerable to the environmental changes. The climate changes make crises more common. It becomes harder to recover from them. UNICEF supports initiatives to make schools, health centers, water and sanitation facilities and other services critical to children's well-being resistant to climate and environmental shocks. Society policy. UNICEF is working around the world to reduce child poverty and shield girls and boys from its lifelong consequences. Projects are undertaken by UNICEF to upgrade basic services, especially for children and women. In selected cities and towns, the overall objective is to improve the degree and quality of survival and development of the children of urban low-income families. UNICEF in emergency. Reaching out every child in emergencies is a very important work of UNICEF. It is on the ground before, during and after emergencies, working to reach children and families with the life-saving aid and long-term assistance. UNICEF is working towards every kind of emergency for war zone to pandemics like COVID-19 for the welfare of affected children. Protection of children with disability. Children with disability are one of the most marginalized and excluded group in the society, facing daily discrimination in the form of negative attitude, lack of adequate policies and legislation. Protecting the rights of children with disabilities is the integral part of UNICEF working policies. Supply and logistics. UNICEF is continuously delivering the solutions to reach every child at risk. UNICEF delivers sustainable access to life-saving supplies, food items, and even vaccines and vaccination equipments where they are most needed, accelerating the results for the most vulnerable children. Research and analysis. UNICEF's global program and initiatives are grounded in rigorous research and thoughtfulness analysis about the situation of children. The office runs the best UNICEF research annual competition seeking to identify, reward and further promote the best research efforts across UNICEF's 190 offices in the different countries. Thank you students for watching this video. For these such knowledgeable videos, you can subscribe the channel, you can like Facebook page, and for making your notes, you can visit mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you.